5 Tips to Ace Your Python Certification Exam. Python Exam Tips. Start early and create a study plan to succeed in your Python certification exam. Start studying early and create a study plan. Practice regularly and take mock tests. Practice is key to mastering Python concepts. Make sure to work on coding exercises regularly and take mock tests to assess your knowledge. Understand the exam format and syllabus. Before the exam, familiarize yourself with the exam format and syllabus. Understand the types of questions that will be asked and the weightage given to each topic. Seek help from online resources. There are plenty of online resources available to help you prepare for your Python certification exam. Focus on core concepts. Focus on mastering core Python concepts such as data types, loops, functions, and modules. Conclusion. In conclusion, preparing for your Python certification exam requires dedication, focus, and effective study strategies. By following these 5 expert tips, you can improve your chances of acing your Python exam and achieving certification success.